In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your invoice in Zoho Books. Sharing invoices efficiently is an important part of managing your business finances, as it allows you to easily communicate with your clients and make sure they have all the details they need for timely payments. So, let's dive into the process. You'll first find yourself on your Zoho Books page, where everything you need is neatly organized. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar. This is your navigation hub, where you have different options related to your business accounting and financial tasks. For today, we're going to focus on the Sales section, so go ahead and click Sales. Once you've done that, you'll see several options unfold. What you want to do next is click on Invoices. This section will show you a list of all the invoices you have in your system. Now, take a moment to scroll through and select the specific invoice that you want to share. Now that you've selected your invoice, you'll notice that when the invoice is opened, there is a toolbar right at the top of your screen. This toolbar is designed to make your work easier with various options you can utilize. Among these, you'll see a Share button. Go ahead and click that. After you click the Share button, Zoho Books will give you the option to generate a link for the invoice. This is a convenient feature because it allows you to share the link with your client through various channels, making the process flexible and straightforward. Before generating the link, you might want to consider if you need to adjust the link's expiration date. This option gives you control over how long the link will be active, ensuring it fits within your time frame for client access. You can edit the expiration to tailor it to your specific needs. Once you're ready, simply click Generate Link. And there you have it. A link will be generated for you. Now all that's left to do is to copy this link. Once copied, you can share it with your client through email, a messaging app, or any other means that you prefer. And that's all there is to it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've managed to share an invoice using Zoho Books. This not only streamlines your billing process, but also enhances your communication efficiency with your clients. If you have any concerns or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Zoho's support. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your financial activities with ease.